Hey everybody, do you go to the casino on a shoestring budget? I know I do. And today we're going to practice on that, and plus we're going to do it on what's called the sucker bets, okay? So here we go. Shooter Bones here, aka the Midnight Ace. And today we're going to make a lot of money off that small bankroll. Well, what they call small, I call big to me. Today we're going to start off with $350. Yeah, I mean, you know, somebody say that's small to one person, big to another. But we're going to try and make this bankroll right here into a big one. Are you with me? So let's just get right into it. So we're going to start off on that pass line with the 100, okay? Now we're going to do 50 there on the field bet, and we're going to do 25 on the midnight, 25 on the ace. And let's cover those horn bets. And dice her out. I tell you, man, those 10s. From last game, I'm a little sloppy over here. I hope everybody's having a 50 roll day. Fever, ooh, and that one hurt. Well, coming out the gate, not doing well. So we're gonna put this 50 there. We're going to cover those. All right, let's do it. Attention. What were we? 5 and a 10. That's for my all tall smallers. We're going to do this. Let's help that. 8. Ooh, that one hurt. 8. That's the chocolate cake 8. 6'2". Might be tall, but shorter than you. All right, come on. We got to get this, let's get some change in there. We got 15, that's 5 on the 12, 5 on the aces, 5 on the shocker, that's the 3, 15 in the field. Come on, baby. 8, that 8. 8, 5, 3. Now we're down to our singles. And so we're going to try and hitting for the fences here. All right, swinging for the fences. Swinging. Forward. Little Joe. 1-3. Forward. Come on, man, we need that, we need these to hit. So that 3 on the, add 3. 3 on the aces. 3 on the 12s, we want to put 3 on that. Well, you know what, let's just go in 4. And 5 on those aces. They're just all in. And 5, but we hit the, we hit a number, so we're gonna do that. Let's win. We won. Go and get some change. Here we go. Aces. Okay, that's going to be 150. On that, 25 there. And let's do it. Do it again. Sixers. I just realized I had it off there. You can write about it in the comment section. Oh, and by the way, please subscribe, comment below. It does a lot for me. This nice channel we're starting off on. And yeah, help me out. There we go. We're all in, brother and sisters. Oh, what was that? 6. Oh, we need a 3 for the all tallers. Come on. Shocker. 8. Come on, 888. That 538. 538. 5. 145. The 1-4. The old 1-4. Nina. 5-4. 9. Tension. 6-4. Hope I'm not going too fast for you guys. I don't have any money down, so I'll slow it down, okay? All right, guys, got your numbers? Got everything? All right. Aces. Oh, and we don't have the aces. We're looking for the 6. Looking for the Dr. J. Julius Erving. Scottie Pippen. Nope, 2 2s. We got the ballerinas. We got the Black Swan. Come on, baby. 8. 6 2. Chocolate cake 8. Yo 11. Hey yo. I know somebody's making some money out there on these rolls. Let's go. What do winners carry? 2 trays. That's what we need. That's 6. And we got the 4s. 2 2s. Again, Natalie Portman. We got this ballerina. Fever. Oh, 5. 3 2. 8 8 8 8. 5 3 8. I'm telling you, man, these numbers are crazy right now. 8 again. 5 3 8. There's that 5 3 8. Okay. Looking for the 6.6. Here we go. 6. Got him. All right. And we're going to get change again. Here we go. All right. Since we got money, we can put it in there. See, we in the game. We in the game, baby. Come on, now, all tall, small. 6 7. Winner 7. That's 100 on the pass line. That's 100 there. And we're gonna go back to it. And let's get some change for that 25. That does take off all of these. Sorry, all tall smallers. Start all over again. But this one doesn't want to be. This one is difficult. All right. Let's do that again. 8, and it's always the chocolate cake 8. And it's the 8. 6, 2. And just in case, let's cover that first one and point out the next thing you know. We're always in it. Come on. Aces. 6. Got the 6s instead. Come on, we gotta get this bankroll up, baby. Come on. What? There we go. Why not? Why not? Alright, actually, let's do this. Let's put it on the 5-2. That 5-2. The 6 again. I know that 5-2 winked. It really did. It really did. Okay, come on. Oh, I'm sorry. What's that? 6. And 7 out. All right, that was it. Well, we tried. That was a little practice. That was a good roll to your last one. I hope you guys made money. And yeah, try out your own strategies. And you know, it's practice makes perfect. And oops, dropping things. Until next time, take care of the waitresses. Look out for the dealers, and take care of yourself. Have a 50 roll day.